Hello everyone, we would like to make this special video to share with you how the climate control system work in the Lexus IS series with our new 10-inch touchscreen full package advanced motor system. So if you want to see the full review of this system 10-inch one in this Lexus IS250 to the 9, please have a look at the link at the end of this video. But in this short video we just want to share with you that how the climate control system work on the new 10-inch touchscreen here. Just simply you see that a bunch of buttons here that will help you to control the air conditioner control, but more luxury, more convenient is that you will get it on the screen for sure. So have a look here, just press this button or any button here, it will bring up the climate control screen, and from here you can control it, touch the button, stop button on the screen, and you can control anything in this section. Okay, any button here for this car model IS250 2009, it will get you into the system, and that's really cool. That's really easy to get working, and it will help you to get dual control from the button on the left side here, and also from the right button on the right side here. Okay, and on the screen you can do this, and also you can do that from here. Okay, so that's so easy. That's very easy. Okay, that's exactly what we want it to be, and want to show our customer how to get working. You can turn off the AC, turn on the AC. You can get it auto, or you can get it dual and not dual. Okay, you can turn dual and you can turn off dual, and you can control, you see the temperature changing. And if you want quickly get into the dual, just from here like this one, and you get it in single zone or two different zone, and from here you can touch a hard button or soft button. And yep, that's the way actually the new system is working. So easy, so convenient, and so luxury feeling. Of course, we are so glad we did this, and we get to this point, and you can see that after a very short time, if you don't touch the system, it will think that okay, you're already happy with that, and it come back to the previous application that you were using, and in this case it is our wireless Apple CarPlay screen. Okay, so thanks again for watching this one, and see you on the next one.